Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to see how we can add shortcuts in our MS Word. Maybe you frequently use a particular word and you wish that each time you type the abbreviation of that word, that the full meaning of it should just quickly pop up or come up in your write-up. So in this video I will show you how you can actually do all of those things in just a single click. So make sure you stick to the end of this video so that you don't miss a step on how to do that. Make sure you also subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed, so that I get notified of when I upload a new video. Let's get started. In order for you to do that, you just need to go over to your File tab, click on More, then click on Options. Once you click on Options, it will bring you up to this particular interface. Click on Proving. Now, having clicked on Proving, you see Autocorrect options. Click on this Autocorrect options. Now, it will bring you up to this particular interface. Now, we're going to see the magic. Take for instance that each time I type this CCS, that I want it to quickly come up in this way: Creative Computer Skills. You can see what I just did right now. So each time I type CCS, it should quickly be replaced with Creative Computer Skills. Now, if you've done this, just click on Add and click OK. Now you can click OK here. Now let's test run what we have actually done. CCS. Press your enter. You can see what I just did right now. You can still type CCS. You press your space bar. It has actually reflected. You can still type CCS and press your tab, and it will quickly reflect for you. So can you imagine using this, that it will save you a whole lot of time having to type maybe particular words and all of that? With this, it can actually save you time and you meet up with deadlines, and it will increase your productivity. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.